So this is flaxseed gel. Those are the flax seeds. You can buy this at any health food store. New Seasons, Whole Food. I usually shop at New Seasons and Whole Foods. I'm into, I try to live a very Ayurvedic lifestyle. So this flax seeds, you take I took 2 tablespoons and added about 2 cups of water. And I boiled it for about 30 minutes. Now once it comes to a consistency close to like egg whites, do you see that? That's when it's done. Okay? So what you'll do, you want that kind of egg white consistency. Okay? See that? That's the kind of consistency you want. Now when it gets to that, you're going to turn the eye off, let it cool down for about 30 minutes. Then you're going to strain this, and you can also use a cheesecloth. Now what you're going to do with this, you're going to apply it to your hair. If you have natural hair, this will define your curls like no other. I have natural hair and my hair type is a 4C. If you don't have natural hair, you can use it to promote hair growth. Trust me, it's beautiful. Your curls will pop like no other. So try it out. Try this out.
This is my hair. I have braids in my hair and I just took a piece out so y'all can see. Yeah, that's my hair. That's my hair. We just made this flaxseed gel. I put it in this container. And this is the consistency. See that? See how I was talking about that egg white consistency? Now, because I have natural hair, my hair is curly. 4C. So when I put this in my hair will start to revert and go curly again. This is what you can use on your hair for a wash and go. See that? It's going to start to curl back up. See that? Add a little more. Ooh, look at that. Ooh. This is flaxseed gel. I just made it. Y'all just see me in the video making it. It's flaxseed gel. See that? That's what I'm talking about, that consistency that you wanted. Okay? Do you see that? It's beautiful. It's very slippery too. It has a lot of slip. Look at that.